Wildland Urban Interface firefighting is one of the hardest challenges that firefighters face today. When you think of firefighting, you probably think of one of two things. You probably think of wildfires, raging into prairies, raging into plains, raging into forests, or you think of structure fires, houses, buildings, construction, all on fire with men and women clad in turnouts heading inside to battle the blaze. In the Wildland Urban Interface setting, firefighters have to battle both of these at the same time. Wildfires that start in the wilderness, come up against civilization, that butts up against dry grasses, trees, shrubs, everything that's easily combustible that makes it hard to keep structures intact, forcing firefighters to triage what parts of a city, what parts of a town they can save. Here in Northern California, we are no strangers, unfortunately, to Wildland Urban Interface firefighting. Most recently, we had the Palisades fire, which started in the mountains and swept right down into the town. We've had the Camp Fire, which destroyed the town of Paradise. We've had more Wildland Urban Interface firefighting operations than I can count. That's why there's so much time and energy invested into figuring out the best tactics in order to meet this new challenge. And one of those new technologies is Nova. Using Nova, we're able to pinpoint hotspots in a fire, get guys out there and put them out before they have a chance to flare up. We're able to accurately map out wildfire perimeters and get that information to the chiefs in charge who need to know how many resources to commit to the fire. We're able to live stream directly to anyone who needs it to give them an eye in the sky, tactical heads up of exactly how the situation is going. These are just some of the things that Nova is capable of, using the power of drones and software to fight wildfires as they're raging and stop them before they can even start. This month, Nova will actually be presenting at the Wildland Urban Interface Firefighting Conference in Reno, Nevada, where we'll be showcasing what our software is capable of to help firefighters on the line keep people and property safe. If you're going to be at this year's conference, make sure you swing by our booth and talk to us and see what we can do for you. Even if you won't be, check out all the links in our description to learn more about Nova and see what we can do to help keep your firefighters on the line safe and help keep your communities out of harm's way.